Hi, I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Today I'm going to be reviewing blaze I got from BoxyCharm. Let's see what's inside. I think this is a premium box. Okay. And the theme is called Super Bloom. Yeah. I'm loving this color. It's deep purple. Maybe it's the color of the season. I don't know, but it's looking good in my book. And it comes with a description card. Yay! Oh, makeup tools. You know I love that. What? Love, 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 love. And I'm loving that it has those little kisses on there. Where is this from? I'll look it up. I'll find it. Where is this? This is I hope I'm pronouncing this right, but I will put the spelling here. L-A-R-U-C-E. LaRouche or LaRouche Beauty. 3-piece contour brush set with a limited edition pouch. Okay. Flat angle, contour blending, and angled shading brushes. Ooh, and what's the price for these beautiful ones for the flawless finish? $50. Eek. So I will show you what they look like for funsies. The bag is cute too, but you see that? Kind of an angled contouring type of brush, fluffy brush, an angle brush, another angled brush. Beautiful, pretty color. You see the design on there? It's pretty interesting. Lately, I've been really getting into with the makeup tools. I've been getting so many, and I just don't know how to stop that because I guess that's my second addiction, makeup tools. Okay, $50. I've already paid for the box. Let's see what else is in there, shall we? I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. It reads like it's Avrani, but I'll put the spelling here. It's A-A-V-R-A-N-I, Balance Restoring Serum. Looks like it has little sparkles on it. How cute, like little stars. So what does this bad boy do? Okay, this gentle alcohol-free good toning serum clarifies your skin, removes toxins, and minimizes the appearance of pores and dark spots while restoring your natural moisture barrier. Formulated with clarifying, calming ingredients like tea tree oil, cucumber extract, chamomile, and witch hazel. Made without mineral oil, parabens, sulfates, irritants, synthetic fragrances, or animal cruelty. It's priced at, what's that price tag? $60. And it's brand new to Boxy. So this is a new brand. New. There we go. I think that's the front of the box. I looked at this. Even though this is nice too, but how pretty is that? Yes. I'm loving the design. And this is the bottle. So cool, like very calming to me, like these blues and deep purples. I'm falling in love, but this is like a toner, so this is really nice. Let me see, does it smell nice? Let's find out. Oh, it has like a little opening there. It smells like a toner. You know, like toners, some toners just have a particular scent. I just got a whiff of something, but I couldn't tell you what it is. But I just gave you a list of some of the ingredients that are in there, so I'm really psyched about that. And it is like a smoke glass bottle, so be careful with it. You don't want to drop that. But it's beautiful. This is from KVD Beauty, and this is their Epic Kiss. I think this might have been an add-on. Maybe. I'm not sure. I don't think so. KVD Beauty Epic Kiss Nourishing Vegan Butter Lipstick. Ooh, vegan butter. And the price for this bad boy is $22 US. And here is the shade right there. What shade is that? Lolita 2. I think I've seen this already in another bag recently, but I'm not hating it. It's a very nice color, so I shall hold on to that. I think I featured it before in a recent bag, so. Ooh, what's this? It's from Fenty. What? Moving on with Fenty. Let's talk about it. Fenty. Diamond Bomb All Over Diamond Veil. A one-of-a-kind diamond dusted highlighter that applies like a 3D glittering veil, delivering pure show-stopping sparkle all over the face and body. It's $40 US. I think I may have gotten this before, but I'm still giddy over Fenty. Fenty's a whole new world for me, and I'm really excited to have gotten it in my box. I just recently showcased on this channel a whole Fenty dedicated box that they did, so I'm like really excited about that. So you can see, oh, see, of course. I mean, look how gorgeous this is. It's like blinding. Like I can't even, oh. And packaging is to die for. I'm gonna show you the glitter on that. Look at that. Look at that. Is that amazing or what? Amazing. And Lolita too. Why not? What the hey? I'm sitting here in this room with no air conditioning, by the way. So lovely packaging here. And that's the lipstick right there. I'm gonna plant it here. Looks very similar to the one I just put on me, and it smells, of course, like vanilla icing. So there you go. I'm gonna show you the color right here. It's almost like a shiny lip stain lipstick. It looks similar to that one, right? But that's actually a blush from something else. But that's the color. Nice. And it feels like butter, you know, very moisturizing and creamy. This is called Lower East Side Felt Tip Liquid Eyeliner. That's cute. LES Beauty Felt Tip Precision Point Eyeliner. This costs $20 US. And it's brand new to Boxy. Perfect for beginners and advanced users. You know how I feel about felt tips. I love felt tips. Some people absolutely do not like them. They would rather do the, I mean, the other option would be to paint it on yourself, which is fine too. You have control over that. And I don't mind the gel ones so much. I really don't. But these are awesome, especially for beginners. Look at that. Let's see, does it work? I'm sure it does. It's brand new. It's an interesting deep color. And this actually felt very hard, like a pencil. I was expecting it to have some give. This feels very hard. So you might want to be careful when you go. You know, I'm sure it works as far as keeping your hand straight, but at the same time, it's a little hard. That nib. Interesting. I wasn't expecting that. Oh, and here's an oldie but goodie. You know how I feel about Elements. I have a love affair with them. And I'm so grateful to have gotten something new in my box from Elements. And this is their Superfood Midnight Facial. What? A prebiotic overnight sleeping cream that leaves dry, thirsty skin feeling silky, smooth, radiant, and replenished with moisture upon waking, infused with superfoods, camu camu, banana flour, and cacao nib or rib. Is that pronounced? Cacao nib extract. There we go. This vitamin and mineral rich formula nourishes the skin and minimizes visible signs of fatigue, which you won't know as summer starts, as the weather keeps getting hotter and hotter. And I'm wrapping up my spring semester, so yeah, I'm feeling fatigue internally and externally. And this goes for the retail price of, this is full size, I believe, $50. $50. But yeah, Elements is not a, it's not a department drugstore brand, you know. You don't find this in the local CVS or the Piggly Wiggly. This is not that brand, so. But they do sell Elements at Ulta. You might want to check them out if you never tried them out before. I've tried several of their other brands, like their Superfood Cica cleanser, foam cleanser, delicious. And their cleansing balm, out of this world. Oh, this smells good. So if you're not into any kind of fragrance, this may not be for you, but this feels so luscious. And obviously it probably moved around, got banged up in packaging and shipping, but yeah, this smells good. It's kind of on the citrusy side. I will definitely be using it. So what can I say about my BoxyCharm for May premium box? I'm loving the fact that I got a little bit of makeup, a little bit of skincare. I can't complain. I really can't complain. Everything looks delicious and I can't wait to dive in and try them all. I like the fact that they introduced, you know, a couple of, you know, different things. But I'm really feeling like everything in this box. I am loving it. I can't wait to dive in. What do you think? Let me know what you got in your BoxyCharm Premium box for May 2022. Was it the same things? We probably got some different things as well. Again, let me know in the comments below. Are you a premium subscriber? Again, let me know in the comments below, or whether or not you get the base subscription. Yeah, let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to know. I want to know. Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest unboxing. And I hope to see you on my next unboxing adventure. But please, before you go, don't forget to hit that like button. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for joining me on my latest adventure. And I will see you on my next one. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.